Hey guys, just doing a quick video on how you find the equation of a line. This is the end of the indices and linear relationships topic, so you'll be revising after this for a real short test. So, how do we find the equation of a line? There are two situations in which we can find the equation of a line. Either we know the gradient at least 1 point that lies on that line, or we know 2 points that lie on the line, because that makes it easy to find the gradient, and then we can selectively choose any of the points. Just remember this formula: gradient is equal to y2 take y1 over x2 take x1. And that's going to give you the gradient. And then suddenly you have the first situation. So if we have one of these situations, we can use the following tool, which you should definitely have on your cheat sheet. If a straight line has gradient m and passes through the point AB, then we know that the equation of the line can be written as this. So it's literally fill in the blanks. And the blanks are going to be the gradient that you're supposed to know, or you can find using this, and one of the points. Once you've got this equation filled out, I can simplify and rearrange it into either slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c, or general form, ax plus by is equal to c. So let's do some examples. Find the equation in slope-intercept form of the line with gradient 5 that passes through -1, 3. So using the tool, y, take, the point is -1, 3. So b is the y coordinate of the point, so it's y take 3 over x take. The x coordinate of the point is -1, so it's x take -1 is equal to the gradient, which is 5, but we like to write the gradient as a fraction. Now we simplify if we can. Y take 3 is equal to x take 1, which is going to be x plus 1 is equal to 5 over 1. And this is a cross multiply now. Cross 1 times y take 3 on the left, and 5 times x plus 1 expands to y take 3 is equal to 5x plus 5. I want it in slope-intercept form, so I want y by itself. The only other thing with y here is -3, so I need to do the opposite of that, which is add 3, so y is equal to 5x plus 5 plus 3 is plus 8. That is the answer in slope-intercept form. Find the equation in general form of the line with a gradient 3 over 4 that passes through 5, -2. Use the tool again. Y, take. The y coordinate of the point, which is -2 over x take 5, is equal to the gradient of 3/4. This is now a cross multiply, so it's going to, let's simplify it. Y take -2 is going to be y plus 2 over x take 5 is equal to 3 over 4. We can cross multiply now, so it's going to be 4y plus 2 is equal to 3x take 5. Sorry. Expand the brackets. 4 times y is 4y. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times -5 is -15. I want to find the equation in general form, so I have x and y both on the same side. I have 4y on the left already. I want to get that 3x from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. The opposite of adding 3x is taking, so you have -3x plus 4y plus 8 equals -15. And I want a number by itself, a single number by itself on the right-hand side, so I need to get rid of that add 8. The opposite of adding 8 is taking 8, so it's going to be -3x plus 4y. -15 take 8 should be -23, I believe. Done. Sorry. And lastly, find the equation in slope-intercept form of the line which passes through A 1, 3 and B -2, 5. So slope, use the slope formula. Y2 take y1 over x2 take x1. Y2 is 5. Y1 is 3. X2 is -2. X1 is 1. 5 take 3 is 2. -2 take 1 is -3. So the gradient or the slope is 2 or negative 2 on 3. That's the same as this, negative 2 on 3. So now I can use the tool, y, take. I can choose any point, but I'm going to use A. Y take 3 over x take 1 is equal to the gradient, negative 2 on 3. I think because you're Ignite, I'll quickly show you why I was able to just move the negative sign there. Because you had the impression there was 2 over negative 3. Okay, so we could say that that is the same as 2 over negative 1 times by 3, which is not changing anything, which is the same as 1 over negative 1 times by 2 on 3. Now, if we focus on this, 1 over negative 1 is exactly the same as negative 1 over 1. You get the same answer. The answer is just going to be negative 1. So I can flip that and then times it by 2 on 3, which is going to give you negative 2 on 3. It really doesn't matter. Actually, the best way to deal with it is to say that it's negative 1 times by 2 on 3, which again just gives you all the same answer, so don't worry about that too much, okay? We have a cross multiply situation here. 3y take 3 is equal to negative 2x take 1. 3y take 9 is equal to negative 2x plus 2. I want it in slope-intercept form. So I have 3y's on the left-hand side, leave them. Negative 2x, add 2. The opposite of taking 9 is adding 9. So it's going to be negative 2x plus 11. 3 is multiplying y, so y, if I get rid of the 3, is divide everything by 3. So it's going to be negative 2x on 3 plus 11 on 3. That is in slope-intercept form. All right, so hopefully that helps you out, and I'll see you in the next video.